So guys, another time after a while, just a time to a cool one of my coolest place in town in Bungoma County. In fact, I used to visit this place mostly in Sunday evenings. Here we had a lot of water. When it is raining, my friend, kuna maji hapa mbaya sana. And also this side kuna na maji. That side pia kuna na maji. But mostly sasa kuna kiangazi man. Ni January and it's all over every place. One thing I love about this place, it has much of connection to me. It has some sense of humor and it has good vibes, a good place, relaxing point I'm used to. So after a while I just thought like, wow, I was passing by and I said, let me pass my place that I used to walk around na kujibamba, but unfortunately maji hakuna again. But I thank God, it's a good place. Sometimes it's good just after all connect na nature, kujibamba kidogo, kujinice. Next time najua nikirudi huku kutakuwa na maji, but for the meantime this is where we are happy and I'm happy again connecting to nature. This is my vibe. I'm happy connecting to nature again. And I'm like, wow, this place reminds me a lot. It has a lot. It's a good place. It reminds me a lot. And I'm like, dude, it was nice passing here. I'm happy indeed. And I'm joyous. And I thank God for this far, because with all said and done, still God has been faithful. God has been good. And God is good all the time. So guys, kujibamba kidogo tu. Nakula masnack, tukijibamba kidogo tu. Hii ni mwaka wa kuitwa bosi. Yani wapende wakatae, lazima watatuita bosi. Huu mwakae. I love you all. Bye. Good day.